Eh bien salut à tous les amis, c'est Illumas, j'espère que vous allez bien. Avant de commencer ce show des Survivor Series 2019, je tiens à préciser que dans la vidéo d'NXT TakeOver Chicago 3, et non les Wargames parce que il n'y en a pas cette année dans Storybook. En vrai j'espérais que Touquet ajoute le match dans le nouveau jeu quoi, tu vois, mais ils l'ont pas fait donc. Donc dans la vidéo d'NXT TakeOver, j'ai expliqué un peu plus longuement pourquoi il n'y avait pas de vidéo, etc. Donc en gros, voilà, si vous voulez pas aller sur cette vidéo là, je vous résume ça en déménagement, pas le temps. Et je suis en train de préparer du gros pour la suite, donc ne vous inquiétez pas. Voilà, c'est pas la fin de la chaîne ou je sais pas quoi, tu vois. Voilà, tout devrait revenir à la normale en janvier. Donc voilà, je ne t'ai pas aussi oublié, Angèle, ne t'inquiète pas. Je n'ai oublié personne, ne vous inquiétez pas. C'est juste que voilà, en ce moment c'est un peu chaud. Mais j'espère que enfin, après un an de galère, on pourra enfin être posé et faire les vidéos tranquillement et enfin déglinguer le YouTube Game. Voilà, je rêve un peu. Donc c'est parti les gars pour les Survivor Series 2019. N'hésitez pas à liker, etc., partager, à vous abonner, etc. À tout de suite.
Yes, sir, we promised you a great man. Andre, the WrestleMania!
Hulkamania is running wild.
My God, what a... The world is watching.
Le premier match de cette soirée opposera les Four Horsewomen WWE contre les Four Horsewomen de l'UFC, que j'ai rebaptisé Team UFC tout simplement. Les 8 femmes donc se cherchent depuis quelques semaines, d'où ce match au Survivor Series, et ce match ne compte pas pour le fameux Raw vs SmackDown. Donc c'est un match 4 contre 4 par équipe à élimination. C'est parti, let's go.
It is the one night of the year. Raw and SmackDown superstars compete in head-to-head competition. The red brand versus the blue brand. Which is the A show? Find out now at Survivor Series. It's the Queen of Spades. Martial arts protege of Ronda Rousey, Shayna Baszler thrives on the fear of others. Yeah, it would be a tough point to argue that Shayna Baszler may be the toughest woman to ever step foot in NXT. The baddest woman on the planet. It absolutely amazes me how quickly Ronda Rousey and seamlessly made her transition from the world of mixed martial arts to WWE. She improves each and every time she steps in the ring. A real next.
The baddest woman on the planet, Ronda Rousey. And from the Queen City, Charlotte Flair.
Back at NXT, Charlotte was part of a group called the Four Horsewomen with Sasha Banks, Bayley, and Becky Lynch. Look who it is! It's Bayley! That's my line!
And from San Jose, California, Bayley.
comes Sasha.
And from Boston, Massachusetts, Sasha Banks.
The Irish last kicker.
And from Dublin, Ireland, Becky Lynch.
You ask a member of the WWE Universe about the Four Horsemen, and they'll like it. However, face-to-face with the Mae Young Classic, Ronda Rousey told them he's in MMA's Four Horsewomen showdown. I, for one, cannot wait for the clutch and make the boss. Harsh impact covered.
Sasha Banks has been
Back in the
eliminated.
ring. What a oh my God! What in? Load over. And do it. Oh, go! She's almost there. There it is. She's made the tag, and her partner is covered. Didn't have to dig very. Here it comes. Lariat. Brutal knee right to the face. She goes for the cover. Bailey kicks out. Somebody got hops. She goes for the cover. Not sure what yet. Bailey finally made it to her first WrestleMania in Orlando. The reality outdid her dreams. Walking in as the Raw Women's Champion, the huggable one in a book. Oh, what impact! Charlotte and Shayna Baszler making her right. Oh, here it comes! Bailey! You're not going to get her. Double boy!
Bailey has been
Inside the ring.
eliminated.
What a clothesline! Ouch! Ooh, right to the face. WWE's. Oh, and she made Michael. Oh, right to the body. That. Here comes Spear. Spear. Nailed it. Medium. That match signified a WWE Championship goal. Looks like her partner wants in that. Beautiful. She's on the defense. Look at this. We'll see how. Oh, man, by the hair. Hair's supposed to tear the. It doesn't look like she's going to get her to tap
A
here.
competitor has been eliminated.
Vertical. Oh, slurry. I think they're about to. Ring rattle. Be confident in saying that. And it's Charlotte with the reversal. There's a reason Charlotte Flair's learned from her father. She's leaving herself wide open here. Oh, face off the tag. Oh, nasty impact. This might be it. Six, even her dad never used. Like having Dana Brooke come out as Rick putting Natalia in the sharpshooter. Sting's off. Here's the figure four. It's almost impossible to get out of that.
Competitor has been eliminated.
Oh, guys, tag team action is underway. Shayna Baszler is no stranger. The biggest jewel on the Queen of Spades crown was earned and determined to as NXT Women's Champion. Going back to that night that Shayna Baszler became NXT Women's Champion, I think it's pretty telling that Ember Moon, oh, who wouldn't be scared on her own? You're part of the team. She goes for the cover. Charlotte with a knee. Oh, and a knee, and another. Sports Entertainment's incredible history. Hardy Boys, that competitive. There have been times. The pin's broken up. Harsh if she reverses out of it. And not a second too soon. Close call there. What's the Queen got in mind now, Byron? How about natural attempt. 1, 2, end of the month.
NXT Women's Champion.
Yeah, guys, the time between her debut and winning the championship was just 88 days.
June of 2017.
Gaining momentum. Sharp finish things off. Here's the figure 4.
To the figure 8.
Wow. What's this gonna be? Wheelbarrow. Flapjack.
She's looking to find a way to make the tag soon. This one might be over. I just can't pick a winner at this point.
No, man. Nailed it.
This one is over.
Ronda Rousey needs to capitalize.
Oh, he's back in full control now.
Ronda Rousey needs to
Charlotte Flair
capitalize on
has
this
been
opportunity.
eliminated.
Talking with Triple H and Stephanie McMahon.
Yeah, Triple H and Angle have no shortage of WrestleMania moments.
Becky Lynch, nice.
And the count's broken. Advantage. That was until Carmella's overconfidence that the Irish... I don't think there are two teams I'd rather see square off against each other right now. This is amazing.
Going after the ankle here.
Oh no, an ankle breaker. There it is. The back from Becky Lynch. How resilient was that? These competitors are walking on daisy. Tournament finals. The Usos wanted to add shoulders down for the win. 2. Really feels far incoming. At the oh my God. You can see the confident thing. We might just have a explode.
Shayna Baszler has been
Like that.
eliminated.
Says a
Got the disarm.
She's crashing down.
Becky Lynch. Got the disarmer.
For some reason, she lets it go.
Whoa. When she's stopping Becky when she's doing this.
Put shoulders on that.
Here is your winner, Becky Lynch.
Decisive victory here tonight. It's wins like that.
Victoire donc de la team 4 Horsewomen composée de Charlotte, Banks, Bayley et Becky. Becky a donc gagné le match, mais après sa célébration, la team UFC revient au complet pour s'attaquer à elle. Sauf que les 4 Horsewomen sont à niveau réuni pour en venir en aide à Becky Lynch, mais sans trop de succès puisque la team UFC parvient à reprendre le dessus. Ronda Rousey prend le micro et dit que les 4 Horsewomen ont gagné la bataille mais pas la guerre. Elle est prête à éclater toutes ces pétasses de diva et qu'elle va leur montrer c'est quoi une vraie femme et une vraie révolution, dit-elle avant de jeter le micro. Nous allons ensuite avoir le titre hardcore qui va être mis en jeu dans un Extreme Rules match. Le champion est toujours Cesaro depuis depuis le retour de la ceinture hardcore à SummerSlam. Alors, je rappelle pour ceux qui ont oublié ou pour les nouveaux que le titre hardcore est pas comparable à celui de 24/7 puisque le champion doit défendre cette ceinture à chaque fois dans un Extreme Rules match, dans tous les shows auxquels il appartient et dans tous les pay-per-view. Notez aussi que la superstar qui l'affronte, le challenger, est choisie aléatoirement et elle peut venir de Raw ou de SmackDown. Notez aussi que plus le champion reste champion, au plus il gagne de l'argent. Sinon je ne vois pas pourquoi les catcheurs voudraient cette ceinture, qui est quand même assez difficile à défendre.
If you haven't hit record yet, the champion into the cover. This might be it. Oh, look at this. Oh, in the world. Oh. On the mark. Shoulder tag now. Nasty kick to the turns around. Whoa. Superstar can let a train gets on the tracks right here. Look at this. Oh. Talk about dismantling your opponent. Ooh, what impact. There's no way that a WWE superstar can let Cesaro get on a roll. Watch out when that uppercut train gets on the tracks. He's got him covered. Drop kick. Oh, right up there. You gotta believe this. Oh my gosh. What an... The champ with reason to be concerned. He can't be happy with how this is going right now. A moonsault, but he's got to capitalize now. And the champ, we go. He's stalking his opponent from quite like this guy. What an upper. Byron, Cesaro is in position. Can he? Look at this. His prowess. He's got it. He's got it. He's going to tap. Now that's how you successfully defend your title. Scoop slam. Oh, watch out. Tossed into the turnbuckle. Oh, hanging on for dear life. What a slut is. Big hoop. Reversal. Cesaro showing his prowess. Oh, the old here quietly. No superstar war here. It ain't over until it's over. Oh boy, he is rolling. When this guy's on, look out. He's too quickly into the cover with the title on the line. Here it is. Two. No, he can't. Not so fast. Incoming. Oh, the title on the line. Champion. Uh-oh. Beautiful. Uh-oh. Here's the pin, title on the line. Go. Two. Right. Look out. Whoa. I've seen this before. Oh, right to the body. That hurts. Game, set, match. This one is over. I don't like the look in his eye here, folks. This one's for good measure. The Swiss Cyborg looking to end things. Here we go. Neutral up. Shoulders down. Championship on the line. New champion. 3.
Here is your winner, and still the WWE Hardcore Champion, Cesaro.
For being on their feet almost the entire match.
Nous allons en voir ensuite un match annoncé à la dernière minute. Sting et l'Undertaker vont faire équipe pour la première fois et vont affronter Randy Orton et Shinsuke Nakamura qui forment une équipe depuis quand même déjà pas mal de temps. Orton et Nakamura ont attaqué Sting et Undertaker lors des shows de SmackDown. Sting et Taker ont donc décidé de s'allier pour en venir à bout de ces deux-là. Je rappelle aussi par contre que Sting et Taker sont toujours en rivalité. Le match annoncé pour WrestleMania 36 se fait attendre puisqu'il avait été annoncé après WrestleMania 35. Parce que je rappelle encore une fois que Sting était intervenu à WrestleMania 35 pour faire perdre l'Undertaker. Ce qui a débuté donc la rivalité entre les deux. Depuis, les deux se cherchent et Undertaker cherche toujours la personne qui a enlevé Kane. Parce que depuis Hell in a Cell, Kane a complètement disparu. Et on s'en doute un peu puisque voilà, Undertaker a peut-être les yeux sur Sting. Donc nous allons voir ça ce soir. Est-ce que nous aurons des révélations ce soir ?
I can't believe he's here! On a mission of justice!
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from every man's nightmare, weighing in at 250 pounds, the man known as Sting.
To the ring. There is only one. No, there are actually two, Byron. There's only one in our business. The vigilante justice of Sting has come to WWE. It's the greatest competitor in WCW history. The dead man cometh. This.
Yeah, that didn't take long.
Randy Orton is getting... That'll hinder your modeling career.
Here's his chance.
The man they call Sting is in action here. He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does. He's definitely starting to lose it.
Oh, and he slips out.
Wow, looked to me like he had it locked in pretty good. I guess not.
Kinshasa! I'm not sure how much he has left.
Wow, I thought he was a goner.
Harsh impact.
Now we superstars are about to show all you folks what it's all about.
I asked King of Strong Style mean.
And he just said, hitting people hard.
Well, you're an idiot. You touched on this before. Part of a tag team's ability to be successful is their ability to endure punishment and make their way to their partner when they need to tag out.
Separation is key in breaking any momentum your opponents could have. Maybe the difference between a win and a loss. Maybe even more.
Oh, right to the...
Whoa! He gets out of it. Hung out to dry. Well, that'll leave a mark. I was calling the action at WrestleMania 30 and was just as stunned as everyone watching around the world.
Uh-oh. Going for the ride. And here comes Orton. Jeez.
Good night. Nakamura hit off the tag.
Champions.
There was a lot on the line in the tag team tournament finals. The Usos wanted to add another tag team.
In order to be a premier tag team, a superstar and their teammate must have that continuity corner in making frequent tags so that the fresh man is
in the ring for an extended period of time without making a tag. They're able to focus their attack on one end. Sting is in position. He's making a statement here with this attack.
Shinsuke Nakamura just too fast for him.
It's like trying to fight smoke.
That could be it. Oh, my. But he's got to capitalize now.
Look at this. Sting has figured it out quite nicely right here. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Ooh! For the pin and the win! Oh, my. Anyone who knows anything about Shinsuke Nakamura knows this man is a...
Then take a look at the
counter here. There we go. Kinshasa!
To think,
Look at this.
one.
Seen some great tag team action over the years here in WWE.
Especially you, Saxton. But then again, the king of strong style.
Shinsuke Nakamura just too fast for him. It might be cliche, but it's true here.
Oh,
Going for the run. Choke slam.
here. Undertaker looks like he's down.
Kinshasa.
There we go. Kinshasa.
Oh, geez, look at Shinsuke Nakamura.
When this guy's on, look out.
Using the knee as a...
The longer this great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Clothesline. Tombstone. Pile driver.
Alors que l'Undertaker est en difficulté et qui semble-t-il veut faire le tag avec Sting, ce dernier refuse le tag. Sting, voilà, il refuse le tag de l'Undertaker.
Randy Orton. I knew it was only a matter of time. Oh man, now that got those shoulders on the mat. Digging deep for a kick out. Here we go.
A long way up.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Power slam. Wow. The king of strong. Here we go. Nakamura. Kinshasa.
I can't believe everything. And RKO! That's what he was looking for, Mark. Here's the cover. That's all.
Here are your winners, the Viper, Randy Orton, and Shinsuke Nakamura.
Wow, huge pinfall win here tonight.
I think we're all
Après le match, Sting prend sa batte et se prépare à terrasser le mort-vivant, sauf que celui-ci se relève instantanément à son habitude et attrape la batte de Sting pour le frapper avec. Il lui envoie plusieurs chokeslam à la suite. Juste après, l'Undertaker coince la fameuse batte dans un coin du ring. Il tient ensuite Sting et lui demande où se trouve Kane, mais Sting ne répond pas, comme il se l'est juré de ne plus parler avant la fin de l'Undertaker. Undertaker lui porte alors encore un chokeslam et prend par les cheveux Sting d'une violence assez rare. Le Phenom le menace de l'envoyer tout droit dans sa batte et de lui crever un œil. Sting finit par capituler. Il dévoile dans l'oreille du Phenom qui est derrière tout ça. L'Undertaker pète un câble et envoie Sting dans sa propre batte qui était encore coincée donc dans le coin du ring. Undertaker s'en va ensuite, laissant Sting complètement HS sur le ring. On retrouve Shelton Benjamin inconscient dans un décor aux côtés de Chad Gable qui essaye de le réanimer. Kurt Angle arrive et s'attaque à Chad Gable en lui hurlant qu'il savait que c'était lui. Je rappelle donc que Kurt Angle essaye d'être le nouveau manager des deux et que depuis quelque temps, le trio se fait attaquer un peu par tout le monde. Et du coup, il y a un peu de tension entre les trois, donc voilà. Nous allons avoir ensuite plusieurs matchs Raw versus SmackDown. Nous en avons 5 ce soir. Je rappelle, le vainqueur aura une récompense qui n'a pas encore été dévoilée. En premier lieu, nous aurons la championne de Raw, Ruby Riott, contre la championne de SmackDown, encore et toujours Asuka, qui a désormais en manager Drake Maverick, qui traduit un peu tout ce qu'elle dit.
Here comes the Riot Squad.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making her way to the ring, accompanied by Sarah Logan and Liv Morgan. Representing the Riot Squad from Lafayette, Indiana,
WWE could use a little anarchy. Would you agree, fellas?
I don't agree with that. I get nervous.
The Empress of Tomorrow.
And her opponent, accompanied by Drake Maverick from Osaka, Japan, the SmackDown Women's Champion, Asuka.
And her unmistakable aura have all made Asuka one of the top competitors in the entire women's division.
Reputation. The action is underway, and in this one, I wouldn't attempt to predict with times. That's all you can do.
aside from Saxton's commentary.
A night that encompassed the trail many women before her blazed. What a strike! Battle old rivals and some of the greatest
Since the match was announced, there was never any doubt. No one was ready for us.
That's why you're the best ever.
Arm, you gotta believe this is here.
There's not a person. Look at this. Don't let up. Oh, shot right to the stomach. And she turns it around. The traditional survivors. Look at this.
Down with Planet, more foreshadowing. Grab the arm, bang!
That's not gonna do it. A move like that can get right back into this match. Immediately, she goes for the cover. And the shoulders up. This might be it. Oh my.
Got every ounce of that one.
Asuka is imposing her will. Right.
Oh, sliding hip attack.
This one is over.
Impressive, but you gotta be careful if you go to the well too often.
Now this one's all but over. It's locked in.
We couldn't see a tap out.
It's locked.
En plein match, nous avons Nia Jax et Tamina qui cherchent la misère à Asuka, hein. Donc on a une petite rivalité entre heels. Donc les deux s'avancent vers le ring, hein, voilà. Et Asuka décide donc de quitter le ring pour aller s'attaquer à elle.
Seconds away from tapping.
Ce qui fait que il y a des comptes extérieurs, voilà, tout simplement. Et juste après le match qui vient de se terminer, nous avons une musique que vous connaissez plus ou moins tous, qu'on n'avait pas entendue depuis un petit temps.
Here is your winner, Ruby Riott.
And the official decision is a countout. Look out, handicap action underway. She reverses out of it.
And not a second too soon.
And a spinning sit-out power. Barely in her corner. Beautiful technique. Where she has all the time in the world to do what she needs to do.
Encore un Raw versus SmackDown, puisque cette fois-ci nous aurons la Sanity composée d'Eric Young, Harper, Killian Dane et Alexander Wolf. Oui, je rappelle, Harper a rejoint la Sanity et a enfin dégagé Rowan de sa vie. Ils vont affronter Undisputed Era, Adam Cole, Kyle O'Reilly, Bobby Fish et Roderick Strong. Le champion des États-Unis est, je rappelle, Adam Cole. Et donc c'est parti pour un petit match qu'on aurait bien voulu voir dans la vraie vie.
The Undisputed Era is here. Cole, O'Reilly, and Fish, the most elite superstars in the entire world. Successful, internationally traveled superstars in all of sports entertainment. And now you add Roddy Strong to the mix, and they are as dominant as ever. And you add Roddy Strong to the mix. Championship. They won the NXT Tag Team Championship and the Dusty Rhodes Classic all in the same night. Being taken over by Sanity. Technique. He's in a little bit of trouble. He's got him covered. An easy kick.
Beating in there. How much gas he has left.
Oh, nasty. Going over into the Dano hurt. DD. Wicked clothesline. He's looking at it. Harsh impact. Can he finish it? He's got the shoulders down. He's a long way. Need to create some space for himself.
I'm not going to go so far as
Roderick Strong with the early cover. He's got. This could be it. Oh, good. And there's the kick out. Oh, no. That's going to be really bad. Slam down. Tossed around. And this might be it.
Oh, my. What's he going to do now?
the shoulder up.
Ooh, big opportunity here.
Into a bang. 1, 2.
Whoa!
Wow, he got it. What a stag. Nice job.
Smartly shifted here, Michael.
Long way up in the electric chair. Driver. His shoulders are down. This one's... What a close!
Xander Wolf in control here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Huge sit-out pop.
Oh, man, that hurt. Gonna take more than that to keep him down. Beautiful technique. In the impact in. Oh, man, incredible. Look at this. This could be it.
Oh, good.
Oh, how resilient was that? Strong is showing signs that it could be it.
Hard to fight through this.
I've got my doubts. Oh, he's able to reverse it. Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
But can he follow up here? 2, 3.
Here are your winners, Eric Young, Alexander Wolf, Killian Dane, and Harper Sanity.
Victoire de la Sanity, et oui, après que le tombé ait été fait sur Roderick Strong par Harper, alors que c'était un peu le chaos total sur le ring. Adam Cole prend le micro par après. Il accuse Roderick Strong d'avoir fait exprès de perdre ce match à cause que celui-ci est jaloux qu'il soit le champion d'Amérique, à cause que celui-ci est le chef de l'Undisputed Era. Roderick Strong nie.
Boom, what impact. This is all but over. Now this right here is exactly what Adam Cole was waiting for.
Cole knows when to pick his spots.
And he's heading back in. Float over. And do it. Oh, what a DDT. Wow. For him to be in here, guys. He's got to do something to get back in this thing. This might be it.
Oh, my.
The old Panama Sunrise.
There it is.
This right here is exactly what Adam Cole was waiting for.
Cole knows when to pick his spots.
They get dangerous out here, especially when there are no countouts. What grace! Float over into the DDT! What a take over New Orleans. We've seen a different Roderick Strong. The man betrayed his partner Pete Dunne and sold his soul to join the Undisputed Era.
Oh, stop. Strong finally saw an opportunity to make the right decision, and he shouldn't be chastised for it, especially since that decision brought Roderick Strong the NXT Tag Team title.
Ooh, what impact.
This one is over. On the topic of the NXT Tag Team titles, I would have to dispute that Roderick Strong made the wrong decision. He still could have become a champion with Pete Dunne, but he chose the Devils in yellow and black instead.
Listen, I asked Roderick Strong.
Mais Adam Cole s'attaque alors seul à Roderick Strong pendant que Bobby Fish et Kyle O'Reilly regardent et semblent tout aussi surpris que les fans. Strong se relève plusieurs fois mais Cole ne le laissera pas faire et portera plusieurs finishes. Nous allons avoir encore un Raw vs SmackDown, The Author of Pain accompagné de Paul Heyman contre Heavy Machinery, les champions par équipe de SmackDown. Raw a déjà 1 point et SmackDown 1 point, donc c'est parti pour la suite.
They love to have fun, but they're as tough as they come.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall.
Frightening. Unnerving. A couple of bad dudes.
And their opponent.
Akam is a man of few words, but yanked him right up.
2016, the unlikely duo of those to see which team would be the anonymous guy.
Nice running crossbody. His shoulders are down. Digging deep for a kick. Oh, just a... Top guy time. Here, oh man, Rezar took his head off. Can he finish the job?
Here are your winners, Akam and Razor, the Authors of Pain.
Give me a high five, Cole. Best friends forever.
Le match était un gros bordel puisque les Revival sont intervenus assez rapidement pour distraire Heavy Machinery qui, je rappelle, d'ailleurs ont battu Revival qui était champion depuis déjà pas mal de temps. Heavy Machinery qui avait fait leur début à Hell in a Cell en battant Revival. The Author of Pain veulent alors s'attaquer à Heavy Machinery après le match, mais Kevin Owens et Sami Zayn eux aussi ont été destitués par Author of Pain, et donc Owens et Zayn parviennent à faire fuir Author of Pain et sauve donc Heavy Machinery. Nous allons ensuite avoir un gros match entre Raw et SmackDown puisque nous allons avoir un 4 contre 4 à élimination. L'équipe de SmackDown est composée de Drew McIntyre, Seth Rollins, Rey Mysterio et une Superstar Mystère, puisque je rappelle, pour les deux teams, il y a une Superstar Mystère qui sera dévoilée dans le match. Dans la team Raw, nous avons Roman Reigns, Andrade Cien Almas et Buddy Murphy, qui est d'ailleurs le leader de Raw, et du côté de SmackDown, c'est Rey Mysterio. Je rappelle qu'Andrade Cien Almas est Mr. Money in the Bank, comme Bobby Roode qui est blessé actuellement. Voilà, c'est juste un petit rappel. Et que le Money in the Bank des femmes, lui, a déjà été utilisé par Ruby Riott lors de Hell in a Cell. Je le rappelle aussi.
The following contest is an elimination match. Making his way to the ring.
There are guys in the back studying his every move.
From Gómez Palacio, Durango, Mexico, weighing in at 215 pounds.
Here we go. This is the match a lot of these people came to see tonight.
And with good reason, Michael.
Making his way to the ring.
The phenomenal AJ Styles. You talk about AJ Styles, the list of accomplishments is seemingly endless. Styles a true... One of the all-time greats and a surefire Hall of Famer. The human embodiment of the phrase, it's not the size of the dog in the fight, it's the size of the fight in the dog. It does not get any bigger than Rey Mysterio.
And from San Diego, California.
Arguably one of the most... Seth freaking Rollins, the Kingslayer, the Architect, undeniably one of the best superstars WWE has seen this generation.
Attitude, revamped appearance.
And from Ayr, Scotland, weighing in at 254 pounds, Drew McIntyre. And weighing in at 201 pounds,
And man, I never get tired of watching these guys compete.
Oh, close. Double axe handle by him. Two-packed for here tonight. Beautiful technique. And here's Rey Mysterio looking for a pinfall.
Andrade Cien Almas has been eliminated.
This might be it. Oh, my. Boom, what impact.
Belly to belly.
So close. Just a... Oh, and he makes the tag.
Right there, Michael.
Took him out at the knee. But it's going to take him. But to be fair,
But Brock Lesnar spear and into an F5 to beat the big dog in the main event of WrestleMania 34.
power drop. Drop kick with capitalize.
Fully locked in.
As the tag has been made.
Oh, he needed that in the worst way, Michael. Very big mistake. Mark my...
Harsh, here he goes.
Nailed it. And there it is, boys.
Rey Mysterio's rolling now. You gotta see that. There's the tag.
He's looking to end this thing.
Rey Mysterio has been eliminated.
There's a big reversal by Seth Rollins.
How good? Did I blame him? More tightly contested.
Oh my gosh. Ooh. Uh-oh. Look at this. Oh, torturous. Know what this is.
Slam! That has got to...
AJ Styles has been eliminated.
Commentary, this has all the makings of an epic match.
Victory is on the horizon. AJ Styles.
Nailed it.
Oh boy, he is... The number powerbomb.
Not yet.
Hold on. Again, not again. A third time.
Only a 2 count. Still. Suplex.
What you get are often two...
Roman Reigns for all that. Rollins with the first ever.
Roman Reigns has been eliminated.
Drop kick. It's tagged in. Can he do it here?
Tommaso Ciampa has been eliminated.
What more does he have to give?
At this point, they both look to...
What impact?
This just might be enough.
Here's the cover. The pin may not fumes right now. Look at this. Not today. The switch here to Drew McIntyre.
Oh boy, going for the big one.
This might be it.
Oh my.
But can he? He may get the 3 count right there. 2.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Hoping to end it here. 2. Hart. Schoolboy. No. Rolls through.
Look out.
What impact.
Rollins fans have plenty to...
He thinks he has it. 2. Here's a cover. 1. I wouldn't have been... Seth Rollins is looking for the decisive end.
Get right to the left.
2. And he got a near... Clothesline.
What a face.
Nasty. This is going to be bad. Watch the drop kick.
To think, I almost wrote him off earlier.
He's got the shoulders down. 2. No, he kicks out. Nicely physical than I thought it would be. Oh, my God! Oh, what incoming. Here we go. Double underhook. Reverses that one. those shoulders on the mat. 1, 2.
To avoid damage there.
Lightning.
Whoa, McIntyre able to avoid damage.
Oh, haven't seen this in a long time. The old. This will damage your. Double underhook. Future shock. Warm. We got to cover. 1, 2, 3.
Here are your winners, Drew McIntyre, Seth Rollins, and Rey Mysterio.
There's no doubt about it. That's a big pinfall win right there.
I got a feeling they're going to be talking about this win for a while.
Nous avons donc 2 points partout pour Raw et SmackDown, et là nous allons avoir le dernier match pour déterminer quel show va sortir vainqueur cette année. Nous allons avoir Braun Strowman contre Lars Sullivan. Let's go!
The monster among men is here.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, weighing in at
Strowman's an absolute force of nature. Terrifyingly powerful.
Yeah, you start to feel like there's nothing Braun Strowman can't do.
Well, there is one thing. This man is frightening.
and his opponent from the Rocky Mountains, weighing in at 303 pounds, Lars Sullivan.
Oh my. That is a scary sight. The sinister silhouette of the human wrecking ball. Lars Sullivan destroys opponents with smothering offense and a speed that's like getting counter here. Harsh impact. Oh. Lights out.
Back inside that ring.
Oh my gosh. Look out. Braun Strowman is measuring.
Victory is
Back inside the ring now. Here comes Lars Sullivan. Whoa. Going for beautiful technique. Digging deep for a kick out. Looking at it. Now heading up.
Oh man, here we go.
You guys mentioned how the ring collapsed. He doesn't want to do this outside the ring. Beautiful. There's the monster along, man. Corey, look at the power. Gets the shoulder up. Wow. What's it going to take? Oh, what a splat. And he's able to get out. Get back in this thing. Oh,
Jeez.
Braun.
You gotta believe this one's over. I'm not sure how much he has left. Slam with authority.
This is all but over. That is exactly what getting it done. Strowman here. Round the waist. Power. Spine buster. That should do it right there. Two. Digging deep for a... Look at this. I think we're about to see a high-risk move from the top rope. Incoming. He goes for the cover. Wow, I can't believe he had the energy to kick out.
Yeah, situations like this usually don't end very pleasantly. Look at that tremendous ring presence.
Very impressive. Can he score the pin?
Maybe.
Two. About this one-on-one matchup.
These guys are undoubtedly going to give us a show here tonight.
Lars Sullivan is one of the biggest competitors to ever come from NXT,
But he's also one of the scariest.
Superflex.
I'm not sure how much he has left.
Sullivan sizing it up.
Le ring a donc été brisé et il n'y a pas de vainqueur, donc Raw et SmackDown ont gagné un point si je puis dire. Le Raw vs SmackDown cette année finit donc à égalité Shane McMahon arrive, prend le micro et nous annonce qu'il ne peut y avoir 2 shows vainqueurs, c'est pourquoi il y aura une annonce à Raw. On retrouve le nouveau champion intercontinental, et oui, si vous n'avez pas vu TakeOver, eh ben voilà, Ricochet a donc battu Tyler Breeze. Ricochet dit donc qu'il n'aurait jamais cru entrer dans le main roster de cette façon. Il est un peu déçu de ne pas avoir gagné le titre d'NXT, mais il espère que le show se portera bien sans lui, car maintenant il doit veiller sur le titre intercontinental. Tyler Breeze, l'ancien champion, arrive, il le regarde un moment et s'en va. Le match pour le titre de la WWE va débuter. Titre détenu par Matt Hardy qui avait battu Sting à Clash of Champions. Il s'est allié à Brock Nero et à Bray Wyatt depuis. Et d'ailleurs son challenger est Bray Wyatt qui avait vaincu du coup Brock Nero à SmackDown.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making his
You obnoxious ant!
Matt Hardy fait face à Bray Wyatt et Matt Hardy prend un micro et demande à Bray Wyatt de se coucher pour faire le tomber. Ce que fait Bray Wyatt, évidemment.
With Woken Matt, the champion into the cover. Oh, what a punch! That's how you to pinfall.
Hardy.
This guy impressed the hell out of me tonight, Michael. What a victory.
Another amazing match.
Victoire donc très rapide pour Matt Hardy. Les trois célèbrent ensuite. Shane McMahon introduit le titre 24/7 qui, je rappelle, n'a rien à voir avec le titre hardcore dans Storybook. Donc je vous avais bien promis que nous aurons un nouveau titre à la WWE et sûrement l'un des derniers. Il nous explique que c'est un titre qui est défendu tout le temps, n'importe où, donc pas forcément sur un ring. Il peut être détenu par n'importe qui. Toutes les brands ont accès, NXT compris. Il est précisé que comme pour le titre hardcore, qu'au plus la superstar tient le titre, au plus elle sera payée. Shane McMahon demande à ce qu'on fasse descendre un peu la ceinture puisqu'elle était en fait attachée en hauteur comme un Money in the Bank. Il va falloir utiliser les échelles pour la décrocher et donc voilà, c'est parti. Plusieurs superstars arrivent alors en courant, on a Kofi, Xavier Woods, Big E, Tensai, Itami, Ali, Titus, R-Truth, Slater, Jason Jordan, etc.
Here is your winner and new WWE Non-Stop Champion.
Finalement, c'est Mustafa Ali qui la décroche en montant sur le dos de Tensai qui venait d'empêcher Kurt Hawkins de devenir le premier champion. Et donc oui, notre premier champion est Ali. Malheureusement pour lui, Kofi lui porte un kick dans la face, ce qui fait tomber Ali en dehors du ring. Cependant, Kofi ne peut en profiter pour faire le tomber puisque Big E pousse alors l'échelle pour faire tomber Kofi Kingston qui s'écrase sur les superstars à l'extérieur du ring qui étaient prêtes à faire le tomber sur un Ali qui était inconscient. Et oui, j'ai beaucoup d'imagination, oui, puisque c'est R-Truth qui arrive à faire le tomber sur Ali pour remporter le titre 24/7 alors que c'est un peu la pagaille hors du ring. R-Truth fuit avec le titre pendant que Carmella qui l'accompagnait parvient à retenir Big E qui le poursuivait. Voilà. Notez quand même que Big E n'a pas hésité à pousser son propre allié Kofi Kingston. Nous arrivons au main event qui sera un match sans disqualification. Pour le titre universel, le champion est toujours Finn Balor qui, je rappelle, a remporté le titre à WrestleMania 35 face à Roman Reigns et Braun Strowman. Il va affronter son challenger Aleister Black. Je rappelle par la même occasion que les résultats des shows précédents sont en description dans la page Facebook. Donc si vous voulez savoir les détails de cette rivalité, tout se trouve là. La question à savoir pour ce match c'est est-ce que Finn Balor va venir en démon comme l'a proposé Aleister Black? Nous allons le savoir tout de suite. On espère bien sûr que ce match sera assez incroyable.
The ominous man from Amsterdam.
Black emerged from the darkness just long enough to knock someone's head clean off. Black, the trained kickboxer, also studied the Indonesian martial art of Pencak Silat.
Former NXT champion was undefeated for a year upon his arrival in the WWE. Just an incredible presence when Aleister Black enters his battleground. Finn Balor has unlocked the crypts of the underworld in his mind and unleashed the demon. Finn Balor will always be known as the first ever WWE Universal Champion. After an incredible match with Seth Rollins at SummerSlam, Finn Balor forced to relinquish the title the next day due to injury. But Finn Balor continues to grow his legend here in WWE. Finn Balor only brings out the demon when it's time for a big fight. That is a sight to behold. Intimidating. Exciting. Extraordinary.
Introducing the challenger from Amsterdam, Holland, weighing in at 215 pounds, Aleister Black. Introducing the champion from Bray, County Wicklow, Ireland, weighing in at 190 pounds, he is the WWE Universal Champion, Finn Balor.
Don't change that dial. We're underway, and the man from County Wicklow, Ireland, Finn Balor, is here to show luck has nothing to do with his success.
If you haven't hit record yet, now might be a good time to do that. These guys are going to have a match you'll want to watch over and over again.
Finn Balor is in action, and I can see a lot of Balor Club members here tonight.
Byron, do me a favor and point them out. I just want to know who to avoid after the show tonight.
Harsh impact. What a stomp. Good grief. This might be it. Oh, my. Facebuster. Man, that was vicious.
He's looking at it. Well, he had to expect to take some punch.
He forces his way free. Man, he just has so much resolve. That'll hurt. DDT. Comes up big with a reversal. On the shoulders here. And it could be a long way down from there. You gotta believe this one's over.
It's like he tapped into some unseen energy source.
Able to avoid damage so quick. Out on the apron. Oh, this is going to be bad. This is going to be really bad. Nasty. Oh, gets out of the way of that one. When this guy's on, look out. Ouch. From the second rope, driving down. Beautiful tope atomico. Nicely done. Aleister Black is going up. Look at this. Ooh, what impact. Look at nailed it. There it is. Aleister Black is broke. Look at this. And the champ kicks out. That's all right, Cole. The challenger not in a great place. The challenger is starting to feel the pressure of this high-profile championship match. Black setting it up. DDT! I'm not sure how much he has left. Finn Balor really needs to dig down deep and fast. Or get a shovel and call it a day. The Irishman has his Irish up. And Finn Balor slips out of harm's way. Extraordinary elusivity. Oh, blasted him over the top. But he's got to capitalize now. Yeah, that's one of the more graceful. Here he goes. Can he finish the job? Aleister Black just changed, and he's feeling his oats now. Oh, boy, he is rolling. And Finn Balor slips out of harm's way.
Extraordinary elusivity.
16. Another victory for the champ, Michael. Shoulders down. Championship on the line. New champion. Oh, how resilient was that? How'd he do that? Boom, what impact. Things are about as bad as they could possibly. Quickly into the cover with the title on the line. Too close for comfort. Oh, that was close. Beautiful technique. Oh. This This is a grueling championship match. Nobody wants to...
Oh, nasty impact. Finn victory. Finn Balor never ceases to amaze me. Look at that. It's like he tapped into some unseen energy source. Balor looking to close this one out. Down 19-16. The line.
Real close. Too close for Cup. Look at this. Not so. Uh-oh. Oh, my God, what a move. This is good. Whoa.
Beautiful, typically into the cover with the title on the line. Champion. How these superstars are even still in this match is beyond me, especially given how intense the match has been.
The Irishman has his Irish up.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Incoming! Ooh! 19-16!
This might not have been a wise move for him here.
Oh, and he finds a way to escape.
Wow. Cole, I think this entire grief.
Finn Balor must have kissed the Blarney Stone because he's...
Uh-oh. In position. Look out. Here it comes. Oh, almost through the turnbuckle. The champ's in a good spot here.
Finn Balor going high risk.
This is where Finn Balor's at home.
I don't know what made him think that was a good idea.
Aleister Black. Oh, what a kick.
The championship is in serious. Here's the pin, title on the line.
True testament to grit.
I am in shock. What's it going to take to keep this guy down?
Oh, and a terrific reversal by Finn Balor. 19!
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to cap?
Moving into the cover with the title on the line.
New champion, new champion.
And he got a near fall out of it.
They have to shows no mercy. In that poor chair, it looks like a twisted heap.
Oh, clobbered by the steps. And there's herself from Finn. Look at Finn Balor making his moves. 19-16.
Finn Balor never
Line. 2. And he got a near black strong kick.
My goodness. Is that
Moving into the cover with the title on the line.
new champion? New champion.
And the champ kicks out.
I can't believe it. He just won't go away.
Harsh impact. Oh boy, Cole. His face was turning also.
Aleister Black setting it up.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Time. And he got a near fall out of it. Aleister Black may have it. Oh, and to the top turnbuckle.
Look out. Look at this.
Possibly be right now for Finn Balor.
And Aleister Black might have just said
Black Mass.
Just what you thought if you had nothing left.
Here's the pin. Title on the line. And he got a near fall out of it.
With all the damage done, you have to wonder how much more it'll take. Oh, what impact. Michael Top, here it comes. Cody Ross.
Wow, I'm just disappointed. This is where Finn Balor's at home.
He's statement here with this attack. Quick thinking to avoid that one. This might be it.
Oh, my. But can he follow up here?
Looking at it here.
Well, I think I know what's coming next. What a strike.
L'Undertaker est donc là sur le ring. Il demande à Finn Balor et Aleister Black où se trouve Kane. Le match n'est pas terminé et pourtant l'Undertaker s'invite lors d'un match assez incroyable. Il porte ensuite un double chokeslam puisqu'il n'a pas reçu de réponse. Il s'attaque également à l'arbitre et s'en va.
Oh, no, 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 no. No way.
Yes way.
Aleister Black setting it up.
Guys,
That's Mr. Money in the Bank's music.
oh my God, can you believe this? Is he gonna cash in now?
The champ's ready. The champ. No, he's behind. With the briefcase.
The champion's not ready. This is brilliant.
Ambush from behind.
He's cashing in.
Cashing in. He's in trouble. Beautiful neck breaker after the float over. That was pretty. He might have it. Nailed it. Oh, it's over.
Finn Balor really needs to dig down deep and fast.
Or tonight, you don't step in the chance to prove it.
This match is so evenly contested right now that impossible.
He's cheating, Rep. He's cheating. Stop being such a tattletale, Cole.
Andrade Almas has got to like the word.
Some extra leverage here.
Concern for the rules.
And the new WWE Universal Champion, Almas.
Kicking off the night with an impressive victory.
Yeah, the performance put forth in that match tells me we're looking at somebody who will...
Et comme vous avez pu le voir, le Mr. Money in the Bank, Andrade Cien Almas, en a profité pour faire son cash et donc remporter le titre universel. Enfin, il célèbre avec Zelina Vega. Le show se termine ainsi.